A deployed Navy destroyer experiencing a coronavirus outbreak is now docked here in San Diego. Nearly 50 sailors have tested positive so far. And Fox 5's Misha DeBono joins us live now with what's next. Misha.
Yeah, Maria, good afternoon. The USS Kidd arrived here just a few hours ago. We're at 32nd Street Pier, Naval Base San Diego. The ship is going to be here for quite some time while medical crews take care of the patients, the sailors who are sick, and also to disinfect and clean the ship. Now, we're getting a number right now that there are 50 people that may have become ill. We don't know an exact number of how many people have tested positive at this point. We do know, though, that one sailor had to be airlifted from the ship while it was still at sea and brought here to the U.S. for treatment. The USS Kidd was at sea participating in counter-narcotics operations when several of the sailors apparently started getting flu-like symptoms. That was about 6 days ago. One sailor, as I say, had to be medically evacuated. That was on April 22nd after having what was described as a shortness of breath. The USS Kidd was then rerouted to meet up with another ship that has a pretty large medical facility on board that included an ICU and ventilators. That was on the 23rd. And that's when that ship, again, they started testing actually for COVID-19, and several people did turn up positive. So the ship was again rerouted here to San Diego. We're told by the Navy that the sailors will be isolated off ship, and they will be checked 2 times per day. Crew members who have tested negative, though, will also stay in quarantine, and they will be checked. They'll have their temperature taken a couple times a day as well. But then a small group that tests negative, they will remain on board to do what's considered essential services, keep the ship running, of course, and then do some deep cleaning. They will all be wearing appropriate personal protective gear, masks. They'll be asked to social distance as well while they are doing that. So again, we're just learning more information about the exact numbers of how many sailors on board tested positive, exactly how many are sick. We know for sure the one was airlifted off. We will get more information and bring it to you on later broadcasts, but we are monitoring social media sites as well. Presumably people are on board calling family members, and according to some social media people that I follow, reports that I've seen, again unconfirmed, they say as many as 64 people have tested positive. So we'll continue to monitor the situation and bring you the very latest.